Welcome to the Bishop State's Rights and Responsibilities of Students Enrolled in Distant Education Courses video. This video will cover the rights and responsibilities of students who are taking online and hybrid courses at Bishop State. Number one, distance education courses will be governed by the same policies that apply to all Bishop State courses. So, the same rules that apply in taking an on-campus course will also apply to your online and hybrid courses. Number two, in order to protect the privacy of students enrolled in distance education courses, faculty will not publicly post any student grades or information. In essence, all communication will use the Bishop State email system or the secure system in Canvas. So you want to definitely make sure that you are up to par with using campus email and also using Canvas. All posts dates related to college activities, registration, drop ad, etc., are applicable to all courses regardless of the mode of delivery. So whether it's online, on campus, or hybrid, all of the same dates posted apply to those classes. This includes all refunds and payment deadlines. Courses that do not receive adequate enrollment numbers may be removed from the listing of course offerings. If a course is canceled, it is the student's responsibility to register for a different course. Number 5, the ADA office ensures that qualified students with disabilities are not discriminated against based on disability. The ADA office ensures that these students are provided reasonable accommodations based upon Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act of 1973 and Title II of the Americans with Disabilities Act as amended in 2008. You will want to contact the ADA office if you require ADA services. You can contact either of them via phone by going to 251-405-7057, or you can also send an email to adaoffice@bishop.edu. Number 6, the official policy of Bishop State Community College is that no person shall, on the basis of any impermissible criteria or characteristic, including but not limited to race, color, national origin, religion, marital status, disability, sex, gender, age, or any other protected class as defined by federal and state law, be excluded from participating in, be denied the benefits of, or be subject to discrimination in any program, activity, or employment. Bishop State complies with that regulation. And should you have any concerns or additional questions, you may feel free to contact the Dean of Students, Mr. Wilbur Bryant. And of course, his contact is as follows. You can contact him via email or phone number, or you may contact the Title IX coordinator, Miss Frances Beach, at her email and or phone number. It is recommended that students taking distance education courses have a computer and internet access in their homes. The lack of internet access and or the presence of technical difficulties do not constitute an excuse for work to be late. It is the student's responsibility to ensure that he or she has reliable internet access. Students are welcome to use open labs on any Bishop State campus while completing coursework. Number 8, students taking distance education courses must use the email address provided to them by Bishop State, or again use the secure communication within the LMS, which in our case the LMS is Canvas. It is the student's responsibility to protect all usernames and passwords associated with Bishop State and Canvas accounts. Students are encouraged to change their password within boards and Canvas once they log in. Instructions for logging into the LMS are sent to each student's email accounts. Students who enrolled in distance education courses who do not receive this email within 2 days of the beginning of class should send an email including their student number to rmacwilliams@bishop.edu requesting their login info. All distance education courses begin on the first day of each term. Students should log in to their courses as of the first day of class. If you log in before the first day of class, you will not be able to see your course. But when you log in on the day of class, you should see your course. Students who fail to log into their course and complete coursework before the first day of attendance verification period will be marked as a no-show and drop from the course. So it's very important that you're able to log in, that you not only log in, but you complete at least one assignment before the attendance verification period, else you will be removed from the course. Students will be held to the requirement posted in each instructor's syllabus. Certain online courses may require additional software and/or materials. These additional requirements will be posted in the syllabus. It is the student's responsibility to obtain these materials in a timely fashion. All costs of these materials are the responsibility of the student. Students enrolled in distance education courses have access to online tutoring, the college bookstore, library services, including the Alabama Virtual Library, student services, including academic advising, e-withdrawal service, etc., as explained in the General Catalog and Student Handbook. All distance education courses include a proctored assessment that is worth at least 25% of each student's final grade. Students must provide a valid photo identification, which can be their student ID, state-issued driver's license, ID, military ID, or passport. The proctored assessment may be administered in one of the following ways: an on-campus assessment, an off-campus proctored assessment. If you live more than 50 miles away, you have access to use an off-campus proctored assessment. Now, if you do choose to use an off-campus proctored assessment, it is the responsibility of the student to choose a person that meets the criteria of that. It should be a full-time faculty member of another higher institution of higher education. It could be an administrator, such as a principal or an assistant principal within the K-12 system. It could be a professional testing center. For those who are enrolled in the military, it could be a military education officer or a head librarian at a public library. Please keep in mind all costs, if any, associated with procuring a proctored test fall upon the student. So please reference the approved Bishop State proctored form for complete instructions. General questions about distance education courses should be directed to the Enhancing Instructional Design for Distance Education and Online Learning at 251-405-7144. Questions related to specific courses should be directed to the instructor of that course. Number 17, signing into the LMS serves as an acknowledgement that you have read these procedures and policies and that you agree to abide by them. Thank you so much for watching and have a great Bishop State Day.